Good morning, everyone. My name is Julian Felipe Perez, and today I am a pleasure to present my research on a cost control method based on the principle and the knowledge areas of PM Book version 6 public hospital construction sector in Bogota. Introduction. To begin, I would like to establish the context. The hospital infrastructure is a fundamental tool for ensuring public health and development is a growing capital like Bogota. The construction and modernization of public hospital is a high priority. However, the execution of these projects faces is a significant challenge in efficient cost management. No, the problem. Here we diagnose the problem in more detail. The diagnosis. The construction of the public hospital infrastructure in Bogota presents systematic failure that cause chronic cost overruns on delays. The health consequence. This inefficiency is not just an administrative problem, it's a negative determinant of public health. It's compromise health investment and reduce the capacity for timely care for the citizen. The root cause. The current management uh, lacks a standardized methodological framework that is adapted to a specific Colombian legal context, such as Law 8 and 23. The research question. How would I cost planning and control method based on techniques and tools of the PM Books 6th edition improve the efficiency and economic control of hospital infrastructure construction project in Bogota, DC? Objectives. General objective. To develop a planning and cost management method based on technically and tools of PM Book 6 for the improvement of efficiency and economic control in hospital infrastructure construction project in Bogota. A specific object. First, to identify the critical cause and effect factors that influence the cost overruns. Second, to design a model for cost planning and control based on PM Book 6 edition. And third, to evaluate the established method, and it is a tool to identify their efficiency. And finally, this minute, the design model through a working paper for future projects. Reference framework. Our research is grounded in three key reference framework. Theoretical framework. This study is based on a discipline of project management uh, based in PNI and PMBOK version 6. A conceptual framework define key concepts such as a public hospital infrastructure, cost overrun and delay, and legal frameworks. These include the specific regulation governing our context, the General Contracting Statute, a health sector regulation, and urban planning by POT. Methodology infography. This infography provides a visual summary of the methodology I just described, moving from diagnosis and contextualization to conceptual design, and finally to the validation of the solution. A methodology table. Our methodology uses a documentary and analytic approach, structured in three key phases. Phase 1, diagnosis and contextualization. Phase 2, conceptual design of the method. Phase 3, validation and proposition. Results, phase 1. Now move to the result. The primary result is the compressive cost control method itself, which is structured in three phases. Phase 1 is planning, detailed cost estimation and stakeholder attention mechanism. Results. Phase 2, risks management. The second phase of the method of the risk management, a frequent failure in public administration, is not considering a risk or change in regulation. Therefore, my method incorporates the design of the risk matrix and risk analysis. Results, phase 3, transparency. The third and the final phase of the method of transparency or integral control, an integrated control system was established to ensure correct oversight of public funds, earned value management, and early warning system. Conclusion. In conclusion, this finding make up the proposed method, which was validated with the support industry expert. This method guarantees the proper management of public resources and increases the quality of healthcare infrastructure. These current deficiencies in project management show the need for tools to plan, control, and supervise every project phase. The integration of PMBOK principle present a transparency strategy that reduce cost overruns, prevent delay, and through stakeholder participation, not only optimize economic results, but also build credibility on our public health institute. Conclusion, phase 2. In conclusion, this method guaranteed to proper mass management of public resources and increases the quality of healthcare infrastructure. The integration of PMBOK principle present a transparent strategy that reduce cost overruns, present delayed, and through stakeholder participation, not only optimize economic result but also build credibility in our public health institution. This is the reference bibliographic. Thank you to everyone for listening to me. Thank you. See you later.